How to use Nolo wills and trusts properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think creating a will or trust online is simple, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that leave assets unprotected, create disputes, or invalidate the documents. The first mistake is omitting assets. Nolo guides you through listing property, bank accounts, and digital assets. Beginners who skip items may leave parts of their estate unprotected. Another common error is unclear beneficiary designations. Ambiguities can create disputes among heirs. Be precise with full names, relationships, and contingencies. Many users fail to designate executors or guardians. Nolo allows these appointments, but beginners who skip them leave courts to decide critical matters, potentially delaying administration. Ignoring updates is another pitfall. Life changes like marriage, children, or new assets require updates to wills and trusts. Beginners who don't review documents regularly may have outdated plans. Finally, some assume online wills replace professional advice. While Nolo meets most state requirements, complex estates, tax issues, or business holdings may require an attorney's review. To use Nolo wills and trusts properly, list all assets, designate clear beneficiaries, appoint executors and guardians, update documents as life changes, and consult a professional when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your estate plan will protect your wishes and provide peace of mind.